Hi there, welcome to math class. And the title is Lateral Equations Part 2. In the previous letters we discussed about the lateral equations and also we solved some examples. Now for more practice I solve you another 2 or 3 examples. Example: the formula for converting the degree of Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit degree of Fahrenheit to Celsius or degree of centigrade Celsius or centigrade is as follows. The formula for converting degree of Fahrenheit to Celsius is as follows. Degree of Celsius or degree of centigrade is equal to 5/9 degree of Fahrenheit minus 32. Now I want to solve this. Solve the formula for the degree of Fahrenheit or for Fahrenheit. Now, because the degree of Fahrenheit is the right side of the equation and centigrade or Celsius is to the left side of the, so according to axioms, if we switch this one for like we transfer from left to right or right to left, there is no change in this one. If we bring all of the right totally to the left and all of the left totally to the right. So now what we write? 5/9 degree of Fahrenheit, or F, minus 32 is equal to C, or degree of centigrade. To remove 5/9 from the side of this one, what we do, we multiply this one to the by 5/9, because to not commonly change the equation, both sides of equation should be multiplied by the same amount. So we, at the same time, we multiply the right side of the equation also by 5. 9 cancel with 9 and 5 with 5. Here remaining degree of Fahrenheit minus degree of Fahrenheit minus 32 is equal to 9/5 degree of centigrade. Now, in order to leave the only degree along the degree of Fahrenheit here, we should bring the 32 to the right side. Degree of Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 degree of centigrade. If you bring negative to the right side, it converts to or change to positive 32. It means that here degree of centigrade is equal to 5/9 degree of Fahrenheit minus 32, and degree of Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 C degree of centigrade, and the result plus 32. Now if you have degree of Fahrenheit, we find degree of centigrade by using this formula. If you have degree of centigrade or degree of Celsius, we can find the degree of Fahrenheit by using this formula. Another example. The volume of cone is obtained by the following the volume of a cone is obtained by the following formula. V, or the volume, is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. is the cone. This one is the base or the radius of the base of the cone, that is like circular, and this one is the height of the cone, the cone or h. So, and what is the pi? Pi is a Greek letter that is equal to the ratio between circumference of circle of this circle over radius of circle. Of circle. So if we divide the circumference or the circumference of the circle, the length of circumference, with the radius, it gives us the pi. And because this is a length and length cancel with length, this is a constant number. The pi is a constant number. It means that the pi is a Greek letter and is equal to 22 over 7. 22 over 7. It is approximately equal to 1.1416. 1416. Now here R is equal to the radius R is equal to the radius of the base of the base of the cone H is equal to the height of the cone. Now this formula is for volume. We want to solve for H. Solve for H. If you have volume on pi and also radius, how can you find the H or the height? You know that we can bring all of this to the right and the left, like this one, like 1 over 3 pi r square H is equal to V. Now, in order to remove the 3 from here, we should multiply both sides of the equation by the 3. This way multiply this one. 3 cancel the 3. Here remaining pi r square H is equal to 3 times P is equal to 3V. Now, to remain the only H here, we divide both sides by R squared. And also the right side also divide by R squared. By R squared cancel with by R squared. Here remaining only the H. H is equal to 3V over pi r squared. It means that if you have V or volume and also the radius, we multiply 3 by volume and divide by pi, that is 322 over 7 or 1.1416 times the r squared, means r times r. It gives us the height of the cone. Another example. The equation of motion is x is equal to V0t or VOT plus 1 over 2 a t squared. X, what is here? X is equal to distance. Distance that the substance move. Distance. V0 or VO is equal to initial velocity or the speed at the beginning t is equal to time, the time, and a is equal to acceleration. Solve for A. We know that x is equal to this formula. Solve the formula for A. It means that if you have distance and also initial velocity and also the time, how can you find the acceleration or the... Now we can bring both of all of the right side to the left and the left to the right. V 0t plus 1 over 2 at square is equal to x. To remain only this one, we should bring the dot to the right side. 1 over t, 1 over 2 at squared is equal to x. When you bring or transfer this one from left to the right, become negative VOT. Now, to remove 1 over 3 from here, we multiply both sides by 2, and this one also by 2. Now 2 cancel with 2, at squared or to the power of 2 is equal to 2 x minus VOT. Now what we do? Divide both sides by t squared and this one also by t squared. T squared cancel with the t squared, remaining. Therefore A is equal to 2 x minus VOT or V0t over t squared. To find the acceleration, what we do? We divide, we subtract x from VOT from x and times 2, and the result divide by square of the time. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends, and please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a wonderful days and nights. Bye bye.